Today, our students participate in about 2 or 3 school cohort camps at upper, primary and secondary levels. Going forward, I'm happy to announce that we'll enhance the cohort camps experiences for all students as part of our National Outdoor Adventure Education Master Plan. Over the next few years, we will progressively rejuvenate and upgrade camp facilities at our MOE Outdoor Adventure Learning Centers. We'll offer new camp programs and raise the competencies of camp facilitators. The school cohort camps and outdoor education EP lessons will lead up to a 5-day expedition-based camp for all secondary 3 students held at OBS, Coney Island and Pulau Ubin. MOE will co-design the camp program with OBS, pilot it with some schools starting in 2017, and roll it out across all schools from 2020. MOE will also continue to partner outdoor adventure service providers to offer varied programs to our schools, both locally and overseas. They have expertise that our schools can tap on. Let me stress that the safety of our students remains paramount, even as we enhance and expand outdoor education. We have appointed an advisory panel for outdoor adventure learning to help us raise the quality and safety of our outdoor adventure learning programs, both locally and overseas.